Plant family, 143 genera in Araceae, Aroids plants. The Araceae family, often referred to as the Aroid family, is a diverse and captivating group of plants that includes over 140 genera and approximately 3,750 species. Among these genera, philodendron, xanthodeschia, anthurium, caladium, zemioculcas, peltandra, arum, spathiphyllum, syngonium, aglaonema, colocasia, dieffenbachia, epipremnum, monstera, and xanthosoma stand out as some of the most well-known and cherished members. Each genus within the Araceae family brings its unique characteristics, making them popular choices for both indoor and outdoor cultivation, as well as for botanical enthusiasts and collectors. In this comprehensive guide, I will delve into the world of these genera, exploring their origins, distinctive features, growth requirements, and some of the most popular species within each genus. Whether you're a seasoned plant enthusiast or a novice gardener looking to expand your collection, this article aims to provide you with a deeper understanding of these captivating plants. Genera in Araceae. See full list at monsteraholic.com. Growing and caring for Araceae plants. Each genus within the Araceae family has its specific care requirements, but there are some general guidelines that can help you cultivate these plants successfully. Light. Most Araceae plants prefer bright, indirect light. However, some, like Zamioculcas and Aglaonema, can tolerate low light conditions. Watering. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Allow the top inch or two of the soil to dry between waterings for most Araceae plants. Temperature and humidity. These plants generally thrive in warm and humid conditions. Maintaining a humidity level of around 50% or higher is beneficial. Fertilization. Feed your Araceae plants with a balanced, diluted liquid fertilizer during the growing season, spring and summer. Potting mix. Use a well-draining, peat-based potting mix for most Araceae plants. Pruning. Prune dead or damaged leaves regularly to promote healthy growth and maintain the plant's appearance. Pests. Keep an eye out for common pests like aphids, mealybugs, and spider mites, and treat them promptly if detected. Araceae in natural habitats. Araceae plants are distributed across the globe, from the lush rainforests of South America to the subtropical woodlands of Asia. This remarkable adaptability is due to their ability to thrive in a variety of environments. The Araceae family includes both terrestrial and aquatic species, allowing them to flourish in diverse ecosystems. In tropical rainforests, you can find species like the philodendron, with its impressive aerial roots and large, heart-shaped leaves. These plants have evolved to take advantage of the abundant sunlight and rainfall in the rainforest understory. Unique reproductive structures. One of the most intriguing aspects of Araceae is their unique reproductive structures. Many members of this family produce a specialized inflorescence called a spatha and spadix. The spatha is a modified leaf that surrounds and protects the spadix, which contains the tiny flowers. This ingenious design serves multiple purposes. The spatha often has striking colors and patterns to attract pollinators, while the spadix produces heat and scent to mimic the presence of a warm-blooded animal. These adaptations help Araceae plants lure flies, beetles, and other insects to aid in pollination. Aroids and their role in ecosystems. Araceae plants play a crucial role in various ecosystems. In their natural habitats, they provide food and shelter for numerous animal species. Some Araceae species are also important indicators of environmental health. For instance, the presence of certain Araceae species can signal the presence of clean water, making them essential for wetland conservation efforts. Araceae conservation and challenges. Despite their adaptability, many Araceae species face threats in the wild. Habitat destruction, deforestation, and illegal harvesting for the horticultural trade are some of the primary challenges they confront. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these remarkable plants and their natural habitats. By supporting conservation initiatives and making responsible choices when purchasing Araceae plants, we can contribute to the preservation of this extraordinary family. Conclusion: a world of botanical marvels. In my journey through the enchanting world of Araceae, I've been captivated by their diversity, beauty, and ecological significance. These plants remind us of nature's creativity and adaptability, and they offer us the opportunity to bring a piece of the wild into our homes. Whether you're an experienced plant enthusiast or just starting your green journey, exploring the Araceae family is a rewarding experience. By appreciating and conserving these botanical wonders, we can ensure that future generations can marvel at their beauty and significance as well. In conclusion, Araceae is not just a family of plants. It's a testament to the boundless wonders of nature. As I continue to care for and admire my own Araceae collection, I'm reminded of the incredible biodiversity that surrounds us and the importance of protecting it for generations to come. So, the next time you encounter an Araceae plant, take a moment to appreciate its unique beauty and the intricate role it plays in our world.